Parking is on dudes. Meron silang restaurant. Parang ha? Ooh. Okay, explore lang ang maliliit na villa oh. Maliliit na para silang beautiful. Wow. Ba't na-intriga ako dito? Okay. Ganda no? Naman yung toilet sila, may bidet pa oh. New, because I checked in their website. Post was 2017, so I was wondering. So then there are also fire extinguishers. Oh, ano to? Ito nga. Ganda no? Then you have the wala siyang wasabi. Wow, very like a gumagawa ng mga small resorts. Marami. Baka may nakatira na dyan ng mga pension. Yung 100 kung gusto mong maligo, additional.
Doon sa may coffee shop.
Meron pa. Wow. Tuknangan. Meron silang function hall. Wala yatang gumagamit sa function. Wow. Nagba-vlog lang kami, sir. Oh, theater. Okay siya. For the past year, and then client relationship, real. Okay, so you know, just step back. Something out of this, not productive, but it's been because I poured all parang the year was so I have also been my credibility and trust now because I have established my systems already. This year is gonna be this is the start of the 200 steps, 208 steps though. But I'll try. Hike a lot of mountains. I'm gonna hike 10 times now. Oh my god, hinihingal ako guys. Happy, that's why I need to go up. Vale Kubo. Oh my god. Oh my god, my legs are. Meron pala silang. Oh my god. Okay, ng cable car, sir. Meron silang ano. Yung cafe nila. Air condition sa loob, no? Sa website saka sa Facebook.
Bali ano po, ko na po yung
sige. Have some drink.